Welcome, curious listeners, to episode 12 of Heartfelt Harmony, where we explore the profound impact of connection and community. In this final episode of season 1, we celebrate the transformative journey of Nyla and Brody. Their story is one of resilience, collaboration, and the unwavering belief in the power of community. Join us as we reflect on their achievements, the impact of their shared vision, and the legacy they hope to inspire. As we begin this episode, we find Nyla and Brody at a pivotal moment in their journey. The challenges they've faced have only strengthened their resolve, and now they're ready to take their partnership to new heights. They recognize that their individual strengths, when combined, create a force that can move mountains. Through their collaboration, they've managed to transform their community, proving that unity and shared purpose can overcome even the most daunting obstacles. As the episode progresses, we see the tangible results of their hard work and dedication. The community center stands as a symbol of their commitment to creating a space where everyone feels welcome and supported. The faces of the children, filled with joy and wonder, are a testament to the positive impact they've had on the younger generation. And as the episode reaches its climax, we witness the coming together of diverse individuals, all united by a common purpose. It is a powerful reminder that our differences can be our greatest strength when we learn to embrace and celebrate them. Through their shared journey, Nyla and Brayden discover that true success lies not in individual achievements, but in the collective growth and well-being of their community. They've learned that by investing in their community, they are investing in a better future for everyone. The connections they've forged will continue to resonate, inspiring others to follow in their footsteps and become agents of change in their own right. Nyla and Brody's story is a beacon of hope, reminding us that even in the face of adversity, we have the power to create positive change. Their legacy will live on, not just in the physical structures they've built, but in the hearts and minds of the people they've touched. Now let us delve deeper into the key takeaways from this episode and explore how their story can inspire us in our own lives. Now, before we dive into the heart of the matter, allow me to introduce myself. I'm your host, here to guide you through this incredible journey alongside Nyla and Brody. I am honored to be a part of this incredible show that celebrates the power of connection and community. So without further ado, let's dive into the profound insights that await us in episode 12. Partnerships can unlock potential in ways that solitary efforts often cannot. Nyla and Brody exemplify this through their collaboration, where diverse ideas and strengths merge to create something greater than themselves by joining forces. They amplified their impact, creating a ripple effect of positive change that extended far beyond what they could have achieved individually. This partnership goes beyond a mere collaboration. It becomes a catalyst for growth, enabling each partner to learn, adapt, and evolve throughout their journey. Their shared experiences forge a deep bond, creating an unbreakable connection that inspires those around them. As we witness their triumphs and challenges, we are reminded that embracing diversity and leveraging the unique contributions of each partner can lead to extraordinary outcomes. At the core of Nyla and Brody's success lies their shared vision, a common goal that unites them and gives purpose to their partnership. From the very beginning, they recognized the importance of fostering unity within their community, creating a sense of belonging and understanding. This vision acts as a guiding light, illuminating the path they're treading and giving meaning to their actions. By articulating their goals, actively listening to each other's ideas, and remaining open to compromise, they're able to navigate challenges and setbacks with grace. Their shared vision doesn't remain confined to their own aspirations. It becomes a rallying cry for the community, inspiring others to join their cause and contribute their talents. As their vision takes shape, it's evident that shared goals have the power to transcend personal boundaries, uniting individuals and fostering a sense of collective purpose. Through their collaborative efforts, Nyla and Brody engage with their community members, understanding their needs and concerns. By actively listening and showing empathy, they build trust and rapport, creating a sense of safety and openness. This approach enables them to mobilize community resources, including volunteers, expertise, and financial support, amplifying their impact and creating a ripple effect of positive change. They organize events, workshops, and initiatives that not only bring people together, but also empower individuals to share their own stories and ideas. Their collective impact extends beyond immediate outcomes. They lay the groundwork for lasting change, inspiring future generations of advocates and leaders. By nurturing a spirit of unity and shared responsibility, they demonstrate that collective action can address complex issues and create a better future for all. As the episode unfolds, we catch a glimpse of the future. The younger generation steps forward, carrying the torch of advocacy and building upon the foundation laid by Nyla and Brody. This transition symbolizes the lasting impact of their work and the cyclical nature of progress. Nyla and Brody discuss their plans for the future, expressing their desire for their community to continue thriving and evolving. They envision a world where harmony and understanding are celebrated, where differences are embraced, and where every individual feels valued and respected. Their legacy becomes a source of inspiration, reminding future generations of the struggles and triumphs that shaped their journey. It's a powerful testament to the enduring power of hope and the belief in a brighter future. The episode culminates in a joyous celebration, a testament to the incredible achievements Nyla and Brody have accomplished together. The community comes alive with music, laughter, and a sense of shared accomplishment. It's a moment to honor the progress made, the challenges overcome, and the dreams realized. As community members gather, they share stories of transformation, highlighting the positive impact Nyla and Brody have had on their lives. It's a time for reflection, gratitude, and the realization that their collective efforts have created a profound legacy. The celebratory atmosphere underscores the importance of acknowledging success, not just for oneself, but for the entire community. It's a reminder that achievements, big and small, should be celebrated to inspire continued progress and unity. Affirmation. Through their unwavering collaboration and shared vision, Nyla and Brody have created a legacy that will continue to inspire and uplift their community for generations to come. Their journey serves as a beacon of hope, demonstrating that unity, empathy, and perseverance can pave the way for positive change and lasting impact. As we reflect on their achievements, let us be reminded of the power of partnership and the profound difference we can make when we come together to create a better world. Now that we've delved into the depths of episode 12, I encourage you to engage with these reflective questions to deepen your own insights and experiences. Your answers may provide valuable perspectives that enrich your personal growth and self-discovery. Reflect on a partnership in your life. How has collaboration enhanced your ability to achieve your goals? What lessons did you learn from that experience? In what ways can you contribute to your community to foster unity and shared vision? What steps can you take to inspire others to join you? How do you envision your legacy? What impact do you hope to leave for future generations? As we conclude our journey through Season 1 of Heartfelt Harmony, we're left with a profound sense of inspiration and hope. Nyla and Brody's story reminds us that when we embrace diversity, celebrate our differences, and work collaboratively towards a common goal, we can create meaningful change in our communities and beyond. Their partnership exemplifies the power of unity. Their shared vision serves as a guiding light for us all. As we look to the future, let us carry with us the lessons learned and the values upheld by Nyla and Brody. Let us strive to be catalysts for positive change, embracing diversity, fostering empathy, and working tirelessly to create a more harmonious world. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey. Until next time, may your days be filled with warmth, kindness, and the pursuit of your dreams. If you are looking forward to what is next on Season 2, please subscribe and tap the notification bell. I create stories that are heartfelt.